Tie these suckers up. We're
Yeah.
blindfolding this?
Kinky.
Shit, I forgot my blindfold. It's still dirty from last time.
Hey there, guys. This is JD,
I'm Danny.
and today we're tasting a bunch of protein bars. There's so many protein bars available in supermarket shelves nowadays. It's completely crazy. Even within each brand, there's like 20 different flavors.
There's like an entire aisle for like the protein bars.
And they all change completely in terms of protein content, calories, sugar content, and also good ingredients versus shitty ingredients.
Yeah, and if they even taste good, you know.
Yeah, totally.
I know that you're hungry.
I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten anything for like 16 hours. Yeah, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars. It's not bad. It's a good
And
start.
I would definitely agree. Like being in the training industry for a while, these are probably one of the popular ones.
This is like a tasting experience, you know? Maybe we should just like open a 1-star Michelin restaurant just based on
And just taste some. Yeah, I'll take the I'll take the charcuterie protein bar.
Oh my god! That'd be amazing.
Well, for some people.
I just think that sounds great.
Now back to your restaurant idea of having like a charcuterie cheese board. That does look quite appetizing. Oh shit, you're making a mess.
Oh no. I'm gonna self blindfold into here.
He's gonna take his shirt off, ladies. Get ready.
Look at this. This works. This is fine. Okay. Can I
Hold on, let me go. Oh, you got it.
T-Rex style?
I don't even know what you just grabbed, but
You don't know what I grabbed? That's not.
no, I'm joking. Keep quiet. Yeah.
This one smells like peanut like a motherfucker. It's actually pretty good. I'm not going. It's definitely a little bit chewy. But I don't use too much random shit to keep them together.
Okay.
But it's good.
I'm gonna give you another one.
This is the epic part for sure.
Yeah, no, it's like it's so obvious.
It smells a little bit like dog food. A little bit. This one is definitely spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy. It's cool.
Like hot, or as in like has a lot of spices in it.
No, spicy as in hot.
Oh, okay.
This is chewy as fuck, but it's sticking to my teeth. It's like banana and cinnamon. But you know, like banana, there's like that fake banana taste many times.
Mhm.
This does not taste like fake banana. It actually tastes like really ripe banana, like banana bread.
Like smash the bananas inside of it. Actually.
Definitely a tasty one.
All right,
It feels natural.
let's go to cleanse your palate a little bit here. It's a completely different texture.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. What do you think?
this is really good. This is like really crunchy, but this tastes like a really good, like chocolate coated wafer.
How does that compare to like a protein bar versus actually something you just eat as a snack? You know?
I would eat this as a snack. Like I would this actually tastes like it would be a nice cookie alternative or something. So it's a little bit chewy, but not sticky like the other one. The other ones I had earlier. This one tastes good on the first bite, and then coffee-ish flavor gets a little bit old. But I really like the texture though. It's really nice. I love just
You
taste
love a
testing
man
things.
just feeding you?
Yeah, but I prefer you can fit it straight in my mouth. But you know, but anyway, we're not there yet. It's okay. Okay. After all these ones I've just had, this is I can't even feel the flavor of this one. No, it's a very mild flavor for the most part of it, but they have an interesting texture.
This one you'll know.
It's Quest. But this was a well-picked Quest bar. Definitely have tried the Quest bar before. Even though, if you get them old, they're super hard and you just break your teeth. It's like choosing, ripe fruit. It's like you have to go around the protein bar aisle and just squeezing and figuring out,
Make sure
which
it's not
one is
moisture.
this is ripe, this is nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I checked for ripe. This is a perfectly ripe Quest bar. I really like it. When it's at the right ripeness, it honestly...
When it's fresh and in season.
Exactly, just make sure that your Quest bars are in season.
Alright, let's change things up a little bit here.
Lovely texture. It's nutty, it's oaty. Probably it's way sweeter, probably has way more sugar. It's actually pretty nice. Even outside of protein bars, they're nice snacks.
Alright, we have 2 left. Put that in your pinchers.
It feels salty. In a good way, I mean, I like it. Hard to distinguish the flavor, but it's pretty good. It kind of has a bit of almost like a Twix kind of texture and taste to it. There you go. Again, super sticky, sticky to my teeth. The flavor is good. Nice sea salty I'm not a massive fan of sticky texture, but super extra sticky texture. But if you like it, is this it?
So that's it. All right.
Unto-erect myself.
All right. So we ate it all.
Still hungry.
Well, we still have more food left. So.
Thank God. Do you actually recommend protein bars to your clients at all? No? And why is that?
They already eat. There's no reason to add more calories to the diet.
That's an interesting point. But if you're like out and about and everything, what you recommend?
I tell them to eat like a piece of fruit or something.
Okay.
I personally eat Quest all the time. I feel the best with it. In fact, I do recommend Cliff sometimes to clients, but that's if they're like literally doing that. Like they have to be out like hiking, doing something.
They have to be doing exactly what it is.
And only in that position. Because it's not optimal if they're not doing that position. No.
Yeah, so you have to select a Cliff Bar based on the picture.
You're out for a long period of time and you don't have access to food generally. Like, so you bring like jerky with you, nuts, Cliff Bars, and it won't go bad.
When you go out hiking and that
yeah,
kind of stuff,
if you're out for all day long or maybe the
yeah.
weekend. But I don't recommend it for like a casual snack because it's so high caloric and dense, and it's there's just a lot of stuff in there that's not designed to be consumed regularly.
I definitely use bars a lot for traveling. Whenever I'm traveling and I just don't know if I can hit my protein amount easily, and then it's always a game of trying to figure out which one has the most protein with the least calories and the least shitty ingredients.
Which is what we're
and
doing
least
today.
sugar. Yeah, exactly. That's it.